Welcome back. We're just 14 minutes away from 6 o'clock, 5:46 now on Montana This Morning. And in western Montana, a handful of homes had to be evacuated on Tuesday near the Gallatin River west of Logan. An ice jam is causing flooding in this area and water to flow over low-lying areas. No roads have been closed at this time, and no word on when people will be allowed back into their homes.
In Madison County near Ennis, severe winter weather has caused floodwaters to pour onto US 287. Ice jams also there have been backing up water on the Madison River for more than a week. Traffic is allowed to drive through, but at much slower speeds.